In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Wells Fargo Zelle. If you're looking to take a break from Zelle or simply need to stop using it for now, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open the Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone. Locate the app icon on your home screen. It's usually recognizable with the Wells Fargo branding. Go ahead and tap on it to open the app. Once it opens, you'll need to log in using your username and password. Make sure you have these handy before getting started to ensure a smooth process. Now that you're logged in, look towards the bottom of the screen where you'll find a menu. From this menu, tap on Pay and Transfer. This section is where you'll find all the payment-related options, including Zelle. Moving on to the next step. Once you're in the Pay and Transfer section, you should see an option labeled Zelle R. Tap on Zelle R to access its features and settings. It's crucial to ensure you're in the right section, as this is the gateway to deactivating the service. With Zelle opened up, look at the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Here, you should see a little icon or link labeled Settings. Tap on this to proceed. Accessing the settings will allow you to manage your Zelle account and its related options more thoroughly. As you navigate through the settings, you will find the option to deactivate. Tap on Deactivate. Don't worry if you have second thoughts at this moment, because the app will ask you to confirm your choice. Simply tap Deactivate again to confirm your decision. This double step is just an added layer of responsibility to ensure that this is indeed what you want to do. Now, after you've confirmed your decision, you should see a message on the screen. This is a confirmation message letting you know that Zelle has been successfully deactivated. You won't be able to send or receive money through Zelle once it's deactivated, so make sure this is the right choice for you at this moment. And that's all there is to it. Following these steps will ensure you've successfully deactivated Zelle on your account. If you ever wish to reactivate it in the future, you can always go back through these steps and turn the service back on. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward guides like this one.